So hello again everyone, and today we will see the stroboscopic effect. So, a few reminder, this helix is turning really fast, but because of our eye perception, it feels like it's rotating, really slowly. Now it's rather because of the camera perception than the eye actually, but both work the same. Now this effect is absolutely not difficult to reproduce in Blender, so let's do it. Let's do something nice. So click there to go on the side view, Z for wireframe, left click to select that, S to scale, scale down, I should say, 0.5, let's say, why not? Control R for loop cuts, left click, right click now, to let it on the middle, scale. Now let's put another one there, CTRL R, right click, S, scale again, here CTRL R, left click, right click, oops, S, scale a bit, perfect. Tab to go to edit mode, select this face with left click, face, now let's get there, subdivision surface, blue, shade smooth, we have some artifacts, so let's get there, E, to inset a face, left click, let's inset it again, left click, tab, it's okay. Now, edit mode, tab, shift plane, U, G, Z, SX, yes. Select one of the edges, S, G, Z, okay. Now select that, side view, E, Y, and it's already doing it, so it's perfect. Click. Let's put a loop cut there, so CTRL R, right click, again, and now select a point, Control L to select everything, go to top view, shear, where is it? There, grab that, that's perfect. Maybe S, Shift Z, make it a bit smaller, SZ to make it a bit higher, GZ, okay. Now, 3D cursor, Shift D, right click, R to rotate. While rotating, hold Control and do it every, let's say, 45 degrees. So it's not 45 degrees, it's 35 degrees, so R, again, Control, and 2 times, we have 10 degrees added to 35, so we have 45 degrees. So Shift select, Control L, Shift D, right click, R, Control, no, there, perfect, 90 degrees, select that, Control L, Shift, right click, R, Control, and we have it. Shade smooth, a bit more subdivision. Okay, it's not too bad. Now, let's get there. New mission. No, I want to deactivate, sorry, the bloom. So select that, Control, there we'll put a new, select material, new material, assign, you want kind of gray, and for this one we want gray too, but a lighter gray. That's perfect, that's all we need to do. Where was I? Okay, so now, like that, E, rotation. Now, for the illusions to work, let's imagine that we have this part doing a 360 degrees plus 10 degrees. So let's do it that 360 degree. Now let's see, it rotates completely. Okay, now select everything, because you see that it's going slowly at the beginning and then it goes fast and then slow again. So A, the timeline, right click, linear, and now it's doing it. Perfect. Now what I want to do is Shift E, make cyclic so that it keeps rotating again and again. Now let's put it there instead. And now you see that it looks buggy, but it's not. Look, it's at 90 degrees, then 180, I mean 180, then 270, sorry, and then 370. But it's true that it looks really buggy, but it's not the case, as you saw. Let's try to have a better effect. Oops, sorry. Right click. Yeah, it looks really buggy. But as I said, it's just an illusion, so we can count it as, I mean, as successful for this video. But I want to try if there is a threshold where we can see it. Yeah, there. Doesn't look like it's moving that much, but in reality You see, look, it's going really slowly, but no. Now, can we have a better effect with the motion blur? So, camera, 0, photographic, let's put it to 80. Let's go here for 7.5. Let's render the image. Right now it's fine. Maybe let's number of steps. Okay. Okay, so we are at 100, okay. Let's see. Blender illusion. Stroboscopic effect, accept. FFmpeg, and in the last video I forgot it's not Matroska. MP4 we want, because it's better. So Shift save. Control S, sorry, save. Stroboscopic effect. No, put the name you want. And now Shift S, and we can render that. Render animation. Okay, now let's go again to the video editing. Desktop, Blender illusions, stroboscopic effects. Let's put it there, and it's working. You have like a little tweak, you see. As I said, it looks like it's jumping from a keyframe to another, but no. Yeah, it's because it's because of the blur effect, I think. Because look, the blur there isn't as important as the other ones. I think it's because of the loop, which is weird. Let's see that a bit, please. Let's go there in the shader editor. Wow, okay, so press home, and now we see everything as it should be, with a normal size. So yeah, okay, I see. Wait, so A. Yay, I wanted a linear extrapolation. So select that. Wait. That's why it looks like it's twitching, because it's really twitching. So A. Clear side click. So we have still our keyframe. So A, Shift E, linear extrapolation, and now it should be alright. Now it should be alright. Okay, anyway. See what I want, I will do. Rough editor. Okay, you know what, anyway, it doesn't matter. There, it was 0, I remember. So A, interpolation linear, now shift E, linear extrapolation, and that's what I want to see. Shift, render animation, and I made a mistake because it's actually rendering what's in the video editor. We don't want that, so deselect that, render animation. Yeah, we see that now it's slower. But no, it shouldn't look twitchy at all. Yeah, no more jump, I would say. So refresh this one. Yeah, it doesn't find it because it got replaced by the new animation. Can we refresh there? Yeah, no, let's delete it anyway. I don't care. And now you see it's working. No twitching. As I said, this part looks like it's going from 10 degrees, but it's not. You saw that actually this palm at the next frame is somewhere there. You see, this is actually this one. So our effect is actually really good. And that's all I had to show you. So see you for the next video, which will be about the barber. I don't remember the name of it. Anyway, the barber sign, I would say. The spiral going up, but not going up. It's turning. Again, it's stupid as hell, but it could be a nice video to show you how to make a a twisted, I should say. It's more common, sorry, to say twisted sign like that with the textures. So we'll see that in the next video. So happy you, happy me. Anyway, I hope you liked it, and I'll see you for the next video. Bye!